USMLE-style question on poliomyelitis. Question. A 6-year-old boy from a rural community presents with a sudden onset of asymmetric weakness in his right leg. His mother reports that he had a fever, sore throat, and fatigue 1 week ago, which resolved, but he then developed progressive weakness in his leg. On examination, his right leg is flaccid with absent deep tendon reflexes. Sensation remains intact. There is no sensory loss, but fasciculations are noted. His vaccination history is unknown. Which of the following is the most likely causative organism? A. Clostridium botulinum. B. West Nile virus. Poliovirus. D. Guillain-Barré syndrome. E. Myasthenia gravis. Answer C. Poliovirus. Explanation. This child presents with asymmetric flaccid paralysis following a febrile illness, suggesting poliomyelitis caused by poliovirus, a single-stranded plus RNA virus of the picornavirus family. Key features of poliomyelitis. Prodromal phase, fever, sore throat, and fatigue resembles a mild viral illness. Neurologic phase occurs after transient improvement. Asymmetric flaccid paralysis, often affecting the legs more than the arms. Absent deep tendon reflexes due to LMN involvement. Fasciculations and muscle atrophy due to LMN death. No sensory deficits, posterior columns remain intact. Pathophysiology. 1. Fecal-oral transmission, initial replication in the oropharynx and intestine. 2. Spreads to lymphoid tissue, Peyer's patches, viremia. 3. Crosses blood-brain barrier, invades anterior horn cells of spinal cord. 4. LMN destruction, flaccid paralysis, hyporeflexia, and muscle atrophy. Diagnostic tests. CSF analysis. WBCs, lymphocytic pleocytosis, normal glucose, protein viral culture or PCR from stool throat swab detects poliovirus RNA, serology, antipoliovirus antibodies, treatment, supportive care, no cure available, mechanical ventilation if respiratory muscles are involved. Prevention. Salk vaccine, IPV inactivated, used in the U.S. Sabin vaccine, OPV, live attenuated, used in developing countries, but may rarely cause vaccine-derived poliomyelitis. Why not the other options? Key differences from poliomyelitis. A. Clostridium botulinum. Descending flaccid paralysis associated with honey ingestion. Infants or canned foods adults, affects autonomic function, pupil dilation, dry mouth. B. West Nile virus, flaccid paralysis with fever, but often has encephalitis or meningitis associated with mosquito bites. D. Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS, ascending paralysis, often bilateral, follows Campylobacter jejuni infection. E. Myasthenia gravis, fatigable muscle weakness, extraocular muscle involvement, improves with rest, no LMN signs. Take-home point. Poliomyelitis is a viral infection that destroys anterior horn cells, leading to asymmetric flaccid paralysis with absent reflexes but intact sensation. It is prevented by vaccination, IPV or OPV. Would you like a question on